Alright, now that you have done assignment 1, we're going to go ahead and move on to assignment 2. In assignment 2, you have to add topic pages to your module. Now in the directions, it says to create a second page and label it Module Test 2 as I did there. Now, to create topics under Module 2, you're going to go to the Add Page button, your standard page again, and then we're just going to label it Test 2. Click Done, and then it populates at the bottom, and then just drag it up under Module Test 2. Now once you've done that, you're going to click on it again and just shift it to the right. And if you see, it gets smaller, bigger, smaller, and then let's drop it right there. And if you go over here to your Weebly page, hover over Module Test 2, and you will see the icon that says Test 2, and you can just click on it there. If you need to add an additional topic page, just click on it, standard page, or whatever type of page you choose to add. Test 3, done, click, drag, shift to the right, hover over it again, and then you will see your pages that you have added. Now do not forget to go ahead and add some type of content to this as well. And then once you're finished, your page should look something like this right here. If you go over to module and you see the topics will just populate just like that. So go ahead, get started, and I look forward to seeing your finished products, and do not forget to submit your work. And in module 3, you will learn how to actually publish your work.